guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. You're welcome to Dinah. I know a while since I uploaded any video here, but I've been very active on my other channel. If you don't know my other channel is Skin Talk with D. There I do reviews on skincare products and I give tips on how to care for your skin. And if you're interested in that, you can also check me out there. So I've been very active on the other channel and I recently just hit 4,000 subscribers on that channel. So I've been spending most of my energy there. So I actually ordered for some product from Darling Nigeria from the Diva shop. So I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. I saw these products on their website. I also saw it on Instagram and on YouTube, and man, it looked so gorgeous. So I wanted to get my own, so I decided to order. I ordered for these products on the 12th of September and it came 2 days later. It came on the 14th. I ordered in the middle of the night, around 1 something, on I think it was on a Sunday, and on Tuesday night I got a call that my product had come. Even till now I haven't even gotten a text message to I'm just wearing my jalamia, like it's a chill evening, I beg. So I haven't even gotten a text from them that my order has arrived, nothing like that. I just got a call. I wasn't even expecting it, because normally you get another notification that your order has arrived, that it will be coming to you or something like that, sha. Anyways, I was excited. Yesterday night, around 7 or so, I just got a call from the delivery guy that my package was here. So this heavy, I tell you, I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy at all. So guys, this is it. I wasn't expecting the weight. I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy. So I actually got the free shipping. Initially, when I wanted buying these products like 2 or a month ago, something like that, if you buy products up to, I'm using a knife because I don't have scissors and I cannot come and kill myself. This knife actually just cut my hand recently here. It sliced it into 2. I don't know if you guys can see, very deep. I was actually doing a skincare, a video on my skin channel, and I wanted to cut lemon and I cut myself. So anyways, as I was saying, when I wanted to order, if you order for if your order is up to 15,000 naira, you get free shipping wherever it is you are in Nigeria. But when I wanted to order this time, I saw that if you order up to 12,000 naira, you get free shipping, which was A. So I made sure that my order was up to 12,000 naira so that I don't have to pay for shipping. So let's open it. I waited because I wanted to do this video. I waited. I did not open it since it came. So we're just going to tear it open. The knife is so sharp, like it's a brown nail knife. The way this knife cut my hand in. The moment of truth. Like I've been waiting for this product since. Let me open the first. Let me open the first one. Okay, we're actually seeing this together. This is the Darling EMPRESS collection. This is their they say this is their body wave, their super body wave. So soft, so smooth, Brazilian hair feel, restylable, 1 pack full head. So this is how it looks like, guys. I'm trying to make it focus. So this is how it looks like. Then it also has some cute pictures behind it, different styles that you can do with it. I just can't wait to touch it because I've been hearing, they said it has Brazilian. Oh, it comes with a detangler spray, a free detangling spray. They said it has Brazilian hair feel. It's soft, all right. It's soft. I like the texture. It's not like synthetic-y. But it still feels synthetic, they were like it's Brazilian feel. So I thought it was going to be like human hair, but it's soft though, and it's protected with this thing that is like net that they put on it, this mesh that's on it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is the body wave. It looks really pretty when you see other people wearing it. It looks really, really pretty, and it comes with this detangler spray. Let me take it out. So this is how the detangler spray looks like. This is how it looks like. It says weave on detangler spray, restores natural looking shine, protects against tangling and freeze for wigs and weaves. Shake to mix. It's about 50 milligrams of the product, so it's meant to be used with this. It's very, very soft. Yeah, indeed, it's very, very soft. All right, let me open the second one I got. I actually got 2 of this. I want to use it for something which you guys will actually find out. This is the second one. The second one also comes with the free detangler spray. This is the Empress collection super body wave style. So yeah, 1 pack is supposed to be enough for a full head, but if you want a fuller look, I think you should go for 1.5. The second one I got is this, their silky straight. Let me see how many inches the super body wave is. Oh, the super body wave is 20 inches, while the straight one, this is the straight one, I actually got their Darling Empress collection, the silky straight. The same thing, Brazilian feel, soft, restylable, comes with a detangler spray here. And here you get 18 inches, 1 bundle of 18 inches and 2 bundles of 20 inches. So that's how it looks like. Now let me touch it and see how it looks. I don't have any straight hairs again, so I wanted to get what just fell out. Oh, the cover of the detangler. Are you serious? Okay. Why doesn't this one want to come out? As the cover fell out, I just perceived the spray. It actually smells really good. It smells nice. So this is the straight one. It has a few strands that are not black. So it's supposed to be black, but it has a few strands of, or is it my eyes? It's supposed to be black, but it has a few strands of, look how silky and smooth and flowy it is. It has a few strands of brown hair. I guess they want it to actually really look like the Brazilian hair. So it's cool actually. It's cool. It does feel like high quality fiber hair. It's cool. High quality fiber hair. Very, very soft. And it said that it's heat friendly. You can actually use your flat iron on this. You can use your blow dryer as well on this. So I just love how flowy it is. I cannot wait to actually use this. I'm actually going to turn it into a wig, and probably I'm going to film the whole process. So stick around and find out what plans I have for this. So I actually got 3 of this. Yeah, so I can't wait to actually turn it into what I want to turn it into. So hopefully that might be my next video or one of my future videos. But the detangling spray actually smells really good. Okay, like I said, I got 3 of it. So because I got 3 of it, they actually gave me a discount. If you buy 3 of any product, like 3 quantity of any product, they're actually going to give you a discount. Each of them actually comes with the detangler spray, and they are all heat friendly. They said avoid using cream, lotions and petroleum based products. That's the truth. Any hair, whether human hair or synthetic hair, especially synthetic hair, the less product you use, the longer your product will, the longer the hair would last for you. I mean, if you are a person that just likes to use a lot of products on your hair, my dear, that hair is not going to last for you at all. I regret actually just buying the product. I didn't have the closure. I would have bought the one that had closure, but I didn't really think about it. But like I said, I actually have plans for it. And as I was taking it out, this card just fell out. So let me read what is in the card. It says, thank you for your purchase. We hope you enjoy your order. All your products are specially formulated with great love for you to use and enjoy. We strive to provide you with the best hair extensions and hair care range of products. Enjoy 10% discount off your next purchase with the code hashtag. Let me not go and say it. But anyway, they gave me a code to use here in case I want to buy next time to get 10% off. So that's their name, the Diva Shop and Mega Growth. And at the back it says thank you with their website. Okay, what else again is in this pack? Yeah, and then I saw this on the website because I was trying to make my order get up to 12,000 naira. I now ordered for this. I thought it was actually bigger than what I'm getting here, but I got this for 300 and something that I wasn't expensive at all. This is their anti-dandruff hair food with coconut oil and menthol. I love creams that have menthol. Yeah, it's just coconut oil and menthol. So yeah, that's all I got. I got a lot of product from the Diva Shop Nigeria. This is a lot of products. But anyways, I can't wait to play with them. So these are very affordable hairs that you can actually get in case you are looking for hair on a budget, and something that you can just throw on your hair and, you know, just still look good, and something that is even more durable than most of all the synthetic hairs out there. So till I come your way again next time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch my other videos. I have other interesting videos on my channel that you can watch. So